When you're trying to withdraw with Deriv and you're facing this problem and you don't know what to do, you're stressed out, you're worried that you might not get your funds. So the simple way for you to do it is to activate a new payment method so that you can be able to withdraw. I will show you in some few minutes how you can do it. But first, make sure that your account is verified. ID verification passed and proof of address verification passed. Okay, make sure that these two, they are verified. All right. Once you have verified proof of address and ID, what you're gonna do, because you have used credit card to deposit, the Zinc Pay, which is the method that was supporting the credit card for you to withdraw, is disabled at this moment for some reasons. Which we might not know. So let's activate a new, or let me show you method that you can activate so that you can be able to withdraw. When you activate new method of deposit, we have two here. We have deposit via bank wire, credit card, and e-wallet, and deposit cryptocurrencies. I don't recommend depositing with cryptocurrencies because of the higher fees that you have to pay and the minimum amount of money that you have to deposit. When this one of buy cryptocurrency via fiat on ramp, I don't recommend it. Even this one under here, this do not actually even try to attempt using this because they are having higher fees which are unreasonable. So for you to have a successful deposit, just stick to deposit via bank wire, credit card, and e-wallet, and then you're gonna click here. When what you're gonna do, because you are facing that problem of you are trying to withdraw, you're gonna deposit a small amount of money. That is the minimum amount of money that they need here. Once you have deposited that minimum amount of money, you will be able to have the option of withdrawal using that method. Okay, so we have many options here. So these are the options that I've never tried, and I'll show you the one that I recommend and I've tried. Okay, and let's go down. Okay, if this one you're using the credit card, and you're still gonna be able to deposit, but when it comes to withdrawing, it's an issue because Zinc Pay is disabled, as we can see here, up here, and one voucher. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use Nitella. It's a payment method that you can use to deposit. If you can click here, you need a minimum of $10, so you can deposit using it. Okay, so we have Nitella, we have Skrill. With Nitella and Skrill, these two are the same. Problem with Nitella and Skrill, currently at this moment, they might not be accepting new accounts which are from South Africa, or they might not be accommodating every country. So for you to have many options, you can try Perfect Money. Okay, I've never used this option. You can try it still. All right. Okay, and then the one that I recommend is also Pay. This one. Okay, the first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna smart card ID. You're gonna put your ID card ID number, and then you're gonna put the amount of money that you actually want to deposit. Okay, maximum is 7,000. All right, so you're gonna put the amount of money that you want to deposit. Let's say in this case you want to deposit minimum it's 91 rand. So let's say you want to deposit 100 rand, okay, which is $5. Okay, you can click next. All right, I know that maybe in other countries this option might not be available, so you can use Skrill in that case, or you can use Nitella, or you can use the other payment methods that are there. Okay, so this one is simple, very, very, very simple. So what you're gonna do here with Capitec Pay, you're just gonna go to Capitec, you're gonna click in here, and then you're gonna go to Capitec, log in, and go to Transact, go to Capitec Pay, and then verify the amount of money that you wanna deposit, which is this amount of money. And then with FNB, you're gonna log in. So all the other banks are the same. So let's go back. Once you have made a deposit, it's gonna be simpler for you to withdraw. So let's do like this. As usual, you're gonna send a verification email, and then you're just gonna wait. And then when you come back, you're gonna be able to see the options of also pay and other options of Skrill, Nutella, and other options that you have chosen on this part. Okay, so once you have those options, you can be able to withdraw. First thing, you deposit using that option, and then you withdraw all the amount of money that you want to withdraw. Okay, so going back here, we have many options. I wanted to check this one of the Bitcoin here. You see minimum is $20. You must input address on your wallet to complete. So it's gonna, let's say 20. Say next. So you're gonna pay an amount of money, which is $20 to this address. And then once you have paid this amount of money, you can use, let's say, other methods that are there that they support Bitcoin to make a payment to this. But be aware that there are more charges when it comes to making payment with Bitcoin. Okay. So the options that I recommend that are not complex is Nutella and Skrill and also Pay, which is also, and then we have that's all. You can pick on any other option here just to activate the withdrawal. And then once you withdraw, you can withdraw. Once you deposit, you can be able to withdraw the amount of money that you want. Okay. So I believe now you actually understand. And actually, let me show you the one of also Pay withdrawal. Send. Here are the options that I'm talking about, and you can use also. You can use Skrill. So these are the options that I activated that I'm using. Okay, so until we have ZincPay back on track, for now, let's activate these options. Be blessed. And if you have any trouble, just let me know in the comment section below.